Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about another project. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment and review purposes only. So always do your own research because crypto has a risk. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is the ZKP website. Zero knowledge proof isn't coming, it's already here guys. The daily pre-sale auction have been running, the network is operational, and now there's a 5 million giveaway live for free guys. Okay, if you've been watching from the sidelines, this is your sign that first blockchain launch in history is happening with or without you guys. Okay, so first things first, what is zero knowledge proof or ZKP guys? It's a privacy-first blockchain that uses zero-knowledge cryptography to verify transactions without exposing your data. You can prove something is true without revealing the information itself. Bitcoin and Ethereum gave us decentralization, but they sacrificed their privacy, guys. Okay, so this is the website of ZKP, guys, and this is their pre-sale. You can just connect your wallet here, okay, using your MetaMask wallet, guys. Easy as that. Okay. And let's go back here. The stage 2 is live, so daily supply 190 M ZKP you can buy now guys on their pre-sale. 1.69 million raised already. So what is zero knowledge proof? You can join the auction also guys, right here. This is the stage 2. Stage 1 is already ended. Okay, so the phase 1, okay guys, so the phase 1 is the offered 200 million ZKP tokens per day. So the widest access and maximum rewards. And then this is the phase 2 is now 190 million ZKP per day. Supply has dropped, competition has increased. So the pattern continues recently until phase 17 brings the tightest supply and maximum pressure guys. Okay, so this is the pre-sale. You can join here. You can also see the pre-sale auction here. So why the timing is so precious guys? Okay, so daily pre-sale auction is live. So the stage with the timing guys is move in vague promises. It moves in stages, and every stage tightens supplies, increases pressure, and rewards earlier commitments. So the framework 17 defined phases across 450 days. Each phase systematically reduces the daily token supply, and what isn't allocated gets burned, not saved, not distributed, and burned guys. So ZKP was built in protest against a crypto industry dominated by VC insiders, whale manipulation, and broken promises. Anonymous builders, no founder advantage, and no private rounds, just code math and proof. So the rebellion isn't theoretical, the network is live guys. Okay, you can see on their website here, they have the privacy or data model stays confidential. Every AI task can be checked on chain. Decentralization compute comes from anyone, anywhere guys. So the proof behind champions, those who compete at the edge of human precision now back the technology. So this is the giveaway guys, the win the 5 million USD giveaway. The zero knowledge proof is building a decentralized ecosystem where privacy is enforced. If you want to join guys, so right now it has a 50,000 total entries and 131 days left to join here. How can you join? So we're officially launching a 5 million USD giveaway in ZKP coins. This is not a dollar, ZKP coins converted guys. Designed to reward the people engaging with the network during its founding phase. So ZKP rewards innovation, 10 winners with 500k USD of worth of ZKP each. So here's how. Hold a minimum of $100 worth of ZKP. Follow ZKP on official social channels. Share the giveaway post. Refer your friends. Multiply your chances. So the more people you bring in, the more entries you earn. So participation compounds by design. This is limited time campaign, and earlier you enter, the more chances you'll stack guys. So winner will be announced once the giveaway concludes. So 5 million USD worth of ZKP coins available. Want your share, get in today. So the more entry, the more chances of winning guys. They have the Telegram here guys, no? So 8,191 members on their group guys. Also on their Instagram they have 9,275 followers and 11.7k followers on Twitter, guys. Okay, so again, if you want to buy this coin, click the link on my description down below and connect your wallet here. So join pre-sale auction stage 2 round 1. So almost 1.7 raise, guys. Yesterday closing price 0.0008 USD. The auction day 62 over 450 days left, guys. Okay, you can choose ETH USD or BNB. Okay, so they also have a pre-sale auction graph right here, and it's daily, guys. The country wallet currency transaction is live auction activity, guys. Some of the buyers are on US and UK, guys, right now. Okay, they have live transaction referral program also available. So just connect your wallet and generate the code. And transaction, they have leaderboard also. Proof of pods, okay, activate your proof. No proofs pods linked. This is node isn't part of the network yet. Paired with your proof pod, starting earning from variable compute, guys. On the website, you can also see the about, sponsors, base layer, data marketplace, research community, and the testnet, guys. Okay, you have a roadmap here. Frequently asked question, history, white paper, light paper, tokenomics available here. So welcome to the heart of the ZKP network. Our tokenomics through transparent distributions and aligned economic incentives. The ZKP coin model ensures broad network participation, creating a foundation for sustainable privacy, preserving AI compute at global scale. So the total coin supply is 257 billion ZKP. The pre-sale have 35%, the mining 55%, community has a 4% allocation, liquidity provision is 3%, and team and advisors is 3%. So fee sale allocation 90B, ZKP is the 35%, guys. So this is the pre-sale overview. Transparent, fair, and fully on-chain pre-sale design for equal access and verified participation. So total allocation right there. So fair launch mechanism, mining and proof of reward models, a community ecosystem, liquidity provision, all information is complete, guys, here at the website. Keep exploring. Zero knowledge proof about history, roadmap, tokenomics, white paper is all here, guys. Okay, so I think that's all the information about this token or the ZKP token, guys. If you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel, comment down below, like this video, share it to your friends, and also click the link on my description down below. So again, this is Hussein again, and bye bye.